Here we are at Weeki Wachee Springs, about an hour north of Tampa. It's a natural spring river. All kinds of manatees and nice wildlife out here. True. Do something crazy.
Do something. No. Yes. No.
Bumper boats.
No.
Ramming speed. Ah.
Oh shit, we're about to be out. Fuck.
No, we gotta hit that one. Somebody's gotta get that number.
What number?
The vacation rental. We're about to pass that thing.
352.
It's gotta be at least 10.
298. Okay.
Sign, give it away.
I was like, that's definitely a vacation rental. What gave it away, this sign?
Just jamming. There's nobody even there. Oh my god, we gotta do this.
That'd be cool if there's full
Shit, that place looks dope. The other one with all the chairs for 30 friends we could look at too.
There's a photo on.
Alright, thanks, man.
Come on, Smelly Melly.
In my defense? Who are we talking to? Oh, I thought we were on FaceTime. Were you just on FaceTime with somebody?